boom. And when you lean in just like this, the lower back should still be tight. And boom. When you pull here, you're gonna feel all that force in the core. Particular motion today, we're moving. There's nothing wrong with moving. We're moving today. This is where a lot of y'all messing this up, right? When you do this, I'm not flying back like this. I am not doing that. When I'm pulling to, this is my in stance. I'm literally pulling the bar to my core. That's it. So I'm using here, me shifting forward, I'm just creating more force for when I pull back to create resistance to hit my core. So when I pull the bar, look at that, boom, I'm going straight. Boom, that's what I'm doing, I'm going straight. So you still want to line the body up as if you're doing this. We don't want to be back here like this. So this is the end of the movement, just like that, right? When you shift in, this is create more force. Boom, boom, you're gonna feel abs like crazy. If you're doing this right, you're gonna feel abs, not lower back. But if you're doing this, you're gonna feel lower back. That's lower back. I want this. Pulling through the elbows. You know you're doing this right if when you pull a bar, it's getting close to your abs without touching it. You can baby kiss it if you want to. There ain't no problem with that. But you want to pull it close without touching it, but no excessive lean back. We want this nice and clean. This is the end of the motion. Here, boom. Here, boom. And when you lean in just like this, the lower back should still be tight. And boom. When you pull here, you're gonna feel all that force in the core. Watch what I say. Let's get it. Last set, I do want you to focus on increasing the weight. Increase the weight on the last set. The first two in this particular program, in this particular training session, you don't really have to worry about changing the weight, but the last one, for sure. And the main reason why I actually chose this exercise, because remember, we didn't get a chance to warm up, so we have to do a little bit of cardio while we lift. And that's how we're gonna get it. Quick 20, 3 sets of 20. Remember, this is only a 30-minute workout. Let's get it.